Did you know that stress can weaken your immune system? When we're feeling overwhelmed or distressed by things happening around us, our brains trigger the stress response to help us deal with these events. Hi, I'm Sarah, the Health and Wellness Coach with Nightingale Virtual Respiratory Care, and today we're talking about different ways to boost our immune system. The stress response, also known as the fight or flight response, happens when our brains perceive a threat to our health or well-being. This response triggers all sorts of changes throughout the body, all aimed at preparing us to cope with the immediate threat. These changes look like increased heart rate, increased breathing rate, increased body temperature and sweating, GI upset, tight muscles, and include, you guessed it, immune suppression. These changes are designed to help us defend ourselves in the moment and are meant to be short-term, naturally lessening when the threat has passed. But in today's modern world, the stress response gets triggered by more emotional distress, like feeling pressure or feeling overwhelmed, rather than dangers that our primitive ancestors faced. So there's no clear ending, and a short-term response turns into more of a chronic situation, which can cause all sorts of issues for our health and well-being. Eliminating stressors where possible, like giving yourself more time to do things and practicing regular relaxation techniques like deep breathing, mindfulness, or meditation, is a vital way to protect your immune system when you're feeling stressed. Stay tuned for more Nightingale tips on boosting your immune system.